Do you have one of these Truguard locks? And would you like some help programming or reprogramming it? Well, if so, you're in the right place. Now we're going to look at the basics today. How to change your program code, how to add up to 10 additional entry codes, how to delete codes, and how to do a system reboot. So let's get cracking. I've just installed this lock, so let's test it and see how it works. I push the lock button and obviously it locks. Now we'll enter the preset programming code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And obviously it unlocks. Now the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number we just used not only is your entry code, but it will also double as your programming code. Now every lock that they make is going to come off the shelf with this same number. So it's pretty low security, so you really want to change this number. So we're going to start with that. To program it, we'll have to remove the cover on the back side of the door. There's little buttons on each side that you have to push in and pull. Now programming also requires that you have a full set of batteries, which we do. This is your red set button. I'm going to push it in for about a second. And now we're ready to put in our code. Now I'll enter the current default program, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll push the lock button. Now the change code is 1, 0. And again, the lock button. Now we'll put in a new code. Let's try 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. And again, the lock button. This will now be your default program code and your primary entry code. To exit programming, just go ahead and push your set button again. Or wait 30 seconds and it will automatically exit. So first we push the lock button and extend the bolt. Or you can extend it using the back lever. And then 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So there we go, it works. Now watch this. That old program code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no longer works. So that's how you set up your new permanent program code. Now we can add additional codes, either one at a time or several at a time, up to a total of 10. So we push the set button, and then we're going to punch in the current programming code, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and lock. The add code is 2, 0. Then we'll hit lock. So let's try 7, 7, 7, 7, and lock. Now we have 30 seconds before the programming locks in, but while we're here, we can add additional codes before then. 8, 8, 8, 8, lock. Let's try 9, 9, 9, 9, and lock. And 1, 1, 1, 1, and lock. And press the set button. Okay, let's test a couple of our codes. 7, 7, 7, 7. 1, 1, 1, 1. 8, 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9, 9. And also the current program code 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 works as well. Okay. Now you can also delete codes. So if you decide you want to remove one or more of these codes, that's easily done. First push the set button. Enter the program code 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. And next, the lock button. The delete code is 3, 0, and then the lock button. So let's do 7, 7, 7, 7. We're going to delete that one. While I'm at it, I'll delete 8, 8, 8, 8. How about that? And then we push the set button. First, so how about 8, 8, 8, 8? We deleted that one, so we should get an error code. And there it is.
7777.
And this is also one we deleted. So, as expected, the two codes we deleted don't work.
So, say you want to delete all your extra codes. That's simple. Set button. Program code 222333. And the delete code for all of them is 40. Okay, push that button. And then we just push it again. Okay. So now let's try 9999.
And we should get an error code in a few seconds.
How about 1111? What's the other good one? It's all deleted. So the only thing that's going to work now is your program code. So that's how you add and delete numbers. Now, if you decide that you need to go back to your original factory settings, that's very easy to do. Say you want to wipe out all your current codes, including the new program codes you just created. Very easy. Watch this. Remove one battery. Now we're going to reinsert that battery while we hold down the set button. Makes a lot of noise, doesn't it? Okay, let's open the door. Now let's try our current program number. 222333. Error code, right? Doesn't work anymore, but watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the original program code. It goes through a lot of stuff here, and I'm not sure what it's doing. Okay. Okay, I think it's happy now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now we're back to our original factory settings.
So that covers all the basic programming codes. Now, if you're interested in more advanced coding like vacation mode, single-use codes, auto lock, for instance, be sure to watch my next video because I'm going to cover those in that. As a matter of fact, hopefully by the time this airs, that will be up in the corner here of your screen and you can just click on it. So that's going to wrap it up for today. Be sure to send me your questions and comments. God bless you and your family. And until next time, thanks for watching.